In this video, I'm going to show you how to create textured or non-slip surfaces on your DIY concrete projects so you don't end up with slippery, dangerous spots around your home. Alright, so when you're working with concrete and want to add some texture or make it non-slip, the first thing you gotta know is that timing is everything. You don't want to wait too long or start too early. Once you've poured your concrete and it's started to set but is still soft enough, that's when you get to work. One easy way to get a textured surface is by using a broom. Yeah, just a simple push broom works great. Run it across the surface in straight lines or whatever pattern you like before the concrete fully hardens. Another trick is using a stamped roller or textured mats if you want something fancier without spending too much cash. For non-slip finishes, you can sprinkle some fine grit sand or even crushed walnut shells right on top while the surface is still wet. It grips like crazy once it dries. If you prefer a chemical option, there are non-slip additives you mix into the concrete before pouring. Just follow the instructions carefully. Also, keep in mind that finishing your concrete with a trowel can sometimes make it too smooth, so avoid over-troweling if slip resistance is a concern. Lastly, sealing the concrete with a textured or matte finish sealant helps keep that grip and stops it from getting slick when wet. One of the biggest mistakes people make with textured or non-slip concrete surfaces is waiting too long to apply the texture. If the concrete is too hard, nothing sticks. Another problem is over-troweling, which makes the surface super slick and defeats the whole purpose of adding texture. Finally, some folks forget to clean off loose particles after applying sand or grit, which can cause uneven wear or create weak spots. Just sweep off excess once dry for a solid finish. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to get these kinds of jobs done because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't charge an arm and a leg. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find steady work from people who need help with projects exactly like this.